Assalamu alaikum. This is your first door, huh? I'm going to other door, huh? Open the. Yes, yes, sir. Open the door, please.
The door is open.
Yes. Okay. Okay, done. I'm going to other door, huh? This is the second door I am calling. First, we have to close the door. Calling is going on. He is calling from first door, outer station. I'm talking with him. Hello. Assalamu alaikum.
Salam.
I'm opening the door, huh? Yes, I'm opening the door. Check, please.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
I will try other door.
Okay, try other door. Okay. Before was here separate. Okay. Before there was a two doorbell. Now two doorbell is here. Okay. Okay. Two is working. We will check from ring also. Okay. I do configure from the network.